Hello, and welcome to this short video on the difference between the search box of the database and the search box of the website. The search box of the database can only be used to look for a particular method. You can refer to the video How to use the database search box, which is available on this channel. The search box of the website is used to look for a particular item of the website with keywords. For example, if you type NAMS, you will find a list of results referring to all different pages of the website where NAMS appears. So here is the news pages. You also have the About page, and you can also do it with other keywords. So this search box is used to browse the website. If you would like to have more information, please contact us via our general email address info@replace.be. Thank you for your attention.